Hey friends, it's Mr. Chad. The topic for this week in math is data analysis. Now remember, data analysis is okay, um, learning how to sort, collect your data by counting, record your data by writing it down, and then making a graph with the numbers you find. Okay. All right. So sort, collect, record, make a graph. Okay. Sorting, we sort into groups. Collecting data, we count our numbers. Recording our data means we write our numbers down. Making a graph means we show how many are in each group. Okay? Alright, but on this paper we're going to learn how to sort into three groups. The last paper we worked on sorting by color and shape. On this paper we're going to learn how to sort into three groups. So last time it was two groups, now it's three groups. Okay? Alright, so here I have some shapes. And over here we have categories. Triangle category, square category, and circle category. Okay, three categories, three groups. Okay, all right, so we're gonna sort these. Okay, so I have shapes over here, and I want you, we're gonna do this one together. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna draw how many of each. Okay, how many triangles, how many squares, and how many circles. Okay, you ready? All right, here we go. First, let's count how many triangles. 1, 2, 3 triangles. So let's draw 3 triangles. 1, 2, 3. Now let's count how many squares. All right. So let's see, 1, 2 squares. Right now I'm recording my data. Okay. So so we're sorting and collecting our data by counting. Okay. How many circles? 1, 2, 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. Okay. All right. What you could also do is at the bottom write how many. Write the number. So right here we're recording our data. 2, 3. So we sorted. We collected our data by counting how many of each. We recorded our data, and later we'll learn how to make a graph. Okay, let's turn the page. Let's go to this page. All right, now I'm going to get some different shapes. Okay, change it up a little bit. What else should I put in there? All right. Now the three groups that we're going to sort now, this time, okay, we're going to sort by color. Red, blue, or yellow, okay? Now I'm going to do red and blue. Okay, I'm going to count. I'm gonna find the reds and I'm gonna draw them, and I'm gonna find the blues. I'm gonna draw them, but I want you to do the yellows by yourself. Okay. All right. So the instructions say take a handful of small shapes. Here are our shapes. Sort them by color. Draw and color the shapes to show how you sorted. Now you don't have to use crayons for this. You can just use a pencil. Okay. You just draw which shapes you see. Okay. If there's 3 triangles, then you draw 3 triangles that are red. Okay. So let's find out. So let's start with how many red. So we're sorting by color. How many red shapes are there? 1, 2, 3. So we have one small circle, one big circle, and one small triangle. So we're going to draw those right here. Small circle. Okay, you don't have to color it in. Okay, small triangle and big circle. Okay. All right, now let's count how many blue. We have how many shapes are blue? 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes are blue. We have 2 small triangles, 1 small circle, and 1 small square. 2 small triangles, 1 small circle, and 1 small square. Okay? Look, there's my face again. All right. So I've done the red, done the blue. We did those together, okay? So don't forget your numbers, okay? How many reds are there? There are 3. How many blues? There are 4. Okay. Now I want you to do the yellows. Look at this group. Count how many yellows there are. Draw those shapes right here, and then write your number. Okay. I'll give you 15 seconds. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's go to the next page. Now we're going to sort by into 3 groups. So we have 3 groups, and these are our 3 categories, okay? So we have 3 spaces for 3 groups, and these are our categories. First category is 0 sides. The next category is 3 sides. And the last category is 4 sides. So if the shape has 0 sides, we put it in this group. If it has 3 sides, we put it in this space. If it has 4 sides, we put it in this space, okay? So we're going to use these same shapes. Okay. I'm going to do the same as last time. We're going to count. We're going to draw, so sort, and then record our data, write our number, okay? So first we're going to count, sort, count, okay, record our data. Alright, so first, let's start with 0 sides. Which shapes have 0 sides? This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2, 3, no. This one doesn't have any sides because it has a curved surface, okay? So how many circles are there? 1, 2, 3 circles. 2 small, 1 big. So let's sort. 2 small, 1 big. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3. Let's record our data. Okay, so sort, count, record. Alright, now I want you to do these 2 by yourself. How many shapes have 3 sides? Sort, draw them, count, and then record your data. And over here, how many shapes have 4 sides? Okay, sort them by drawing them, then count how many, and then record your data. Okay. All right, I'm going to give you 20 seconds. Okay. So 3 sides, 4 sides. Count how many, draw, sort, count how many there are, and then record your data. Okay. Write your numbers. Go ahead and start. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Alright, go ahead and finish up. If you're not done, come back and finish, okay? Alright, here we go. Last page. Okay, don't worry about these shapes. Now you're going to do these by yourself, okay? This back page you can do by yourself. I want to know what your answers are. I want you to show me what you know, okay? Put your finger on number 3. Okay, here we have 3 spaces for 3 groups. Okay, what are the criteria they use to sort these shapes? The criteria are, or the categories are, sorry, the categories, okay, or what would you put above here? What are these shapes like? What are these ones like? And what are those like? How do they sort the shapes? So number 3 says, how are the shapes sorted? Draw one more shape in each category. So draw another shape here, draw another shape here, and draw another shape here. All these shapes are what? All these are what? And all these are what? So draw one more shape here, another one here, and another one here to match. They have to be the same, okay? I'll give you 10 seconds. Draw a shape here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay? Alright, number 4. Put your finger on number 4. You can come back and finish that if you need to. Number 4. Number 4 says, choose the correct answer. Look at how the shapes are sorted. Here, how are they sorted? Which shape belongs in the first category? So we have a missing shape. Which one goes there? We have a missing shape. Which one goes there? How did they sort these? Was it by color, shape, or size? Which one is missing? This one or this one? Which one goes here? What will your answer? Alright, I'll see you next time, friends.